Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi umuruburi kubwatya nabo kurigirirwa na kiro muntu.
Emambia engia omurigereria bw'ensoko nokwegena kwa nebuna Andonsia Sore nigo gendrete bia nabo igo nigo gendete kwegokia nemeroberia itokuruga iga Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi chinsaninye chabono mambia chabutokire chidaika 15 igoro moroberi bw'etorobini nigo chakire bene na abuna butambe ekero togoswaso moroberi bw'etorobini niga tokumurekera ari agendete gokorekana ase binyoro ao anene ritkuria rero abamenyi b'ensemo ya Olkalau nigo bagendete gwaka ekura erikwene kibuna nkonyora bare omochumbe obo omoya mujumbo yo kabororo gusiria obugima bwaye ayo amona yanda mango moncho murigereria nko gusaba to cyaro ikaranso ikirinde tonyako batogusanga eriane nkuru kwa Linet Nyambane. Togochaka no moroberi bw'etorobini nigo togochakira kurwa ase ensemo ya Olkalau ase abamenyi b'ensemo yo besokire ase mambia yeritkuria rero nagose kugendera bono iga nigo bagendete gwaka ekura eyo komochora omubunge bw'ensemo yo ekemina nekyo nigo kere egati yekibarasi bere ekiama kya UDA amone yo nekiama kyo kabero mokonyi bw'omurai bw'enseri gade gashagwa ase ritkuria rero bagochikomina na ngani ngora chikoba omubui ase ensemo yo bwangwega nigo omoskeriga de gashagwa arorekanire kagoteba buna nero bwato obubui ase chinsemo chia centro nabo igo aso murai bwensenere arorekaniga goteba buna nairete emerie ase ensemeyo omokonyi bumurai bwekiamagia DCP omoske Clovas Marara naika ase ensemeyo chinga kyari kurigereria nga na obochori bogenderete ase boiga ruro kubore gocha asa abanyanyimbo kwene kibuna nkobeka bare chi uniform nario barachikumanya egati y'abantu bari bagusari obochori nabo igo watana na abasaria nabo igo abanyanyimbo nigo boiga aruro kubore gocha se kyombe kyobochori ne chimbebe IEBC kwene kibuna obochori obunko gendigo bore ase nchera yobwene no bwasyoku.
So far so good. We want to first of all congratulate the people of Olkalau for turning out in large numbers. As you can see, we have witnessed an unprecedented, very historic moment in this constituency, whereby initially there was some insinuation of police intimidation, but the people have gone against the grain and woken up in high spirits to come and vote. As you can see, we have all cadre of people coming in. We have the elderly, we have the middle-aged, we have the young people who have braved the morning dew just to come and demonstrate and exercise their democratic right. We have also seen that IBC were able to open up the polling stations in good time. All we want to urge our people is that the KIMS kit is a little bit slow, but just to urge IBC to make sure they rectify any technicalities that we are facing right now. But just to encourage our people of Olkalau to stick to the line. However long it takes to be on that line, kindly do it for Kenyans, because these are moments whereby all Kenyans are going to witness how government has been pumping in resources against the law, against the code of conduct, electoral code of conduct. But I'm sure that the people of Olkalau will disappoint them. We have had incidences last evening. We had some incidents whereby plain police officers were attacked a village, but we were able to calm that down and to report that everything is okay, save of vehicles, government vehicles moving around without number plates. We have asked our people that we will not allow any government vehicle or any vehicle whatsoever to move around without identification. The same applies to the police officers who have been deployed here today. We want all the police officers to be accountable of their actions, and therefore we'll be demanding that all police officers must ensure that they display their force number to the citizenry of Olkalau. Otherwise, I want to say that from the pulse, the electoral pulse, I can confidently say that DCP is the party to watch. Of course, with a little bit attempt of competition from Jubilee Party, and then the rest can follow. Yeah.
Kufikia sasa una imani kuwa mchakato unaendelezwa kwa njia ya haki?
Mimi naona so far so good. Tuna tatizo lolote. Ni kuhimiza tu kwamba wale polisi waweze kujitambulisha. Sababu tumeona kuna polisi wengine ambao wanatembea bila vitambulisho zao na bila uniform. Tungependa wavalie zile gwanda za polisi kwa sababu hatutaki kuona, hatujui kutofautisha kati ya polisi na gun. So tunataka tafadhali polisi wote make sure you identify yourself. Hatujakuwa na fujo yoyote. Jana jioni kidogo tu ndio kuna watu walijaribu kwenda pale kwa kijiji fulani ambapo chief alikuwa anagawa mchele na maragwe. Wakaweza kuleta fujo sana kule. Lakini watu wetu waliweza kuhakikisha kwamba fujo hiyo imekuwa calm down, na watu Olkalau ni watu wa amani. Tuko na uhakika tunaenda kuibuka washindi, na kusema tu kwamba hii itakuwa funzo kwa hii serikali ya kiimla. Ni ukweli tumeangalia katika polling stations za kadha na sio zote. Utapata kwamba hiyo Kim's kit inaenda polepole, sio kwa sababu ya system yao, kwa sababu ya vidole za wamama wazee kidogo zinachukua muda kidogo kupata hiyo fingerprint. Lakini tumeongea na IBC, they'll be able to even provide a special Kim's kit for the elderly so that they do not line up for a very long time. Tungependa kuhimiza mama wetu wazee, vijana, hata ikichukua muda gani, tafadhalini msichoke, msimame kwenye foleni, muhakikishe kwamba tumeweza piga kura jinsi vile katiba inasema.
Togotigara igabu ase ensemo ya Olkalau okuborigwa kwa ruro gocha ase abamenyi bensemeyo kubwatera omorembe koboko chinga kibagendrete gwaka chikurecho okuno kuboria kurwa aso munyakero gobwe kiombe kiabagaka gose Masai Council of Elders East and Central Africa Kalene Olejoi asaruro kuboria gocha asa baraiba siasa kwene kyabuna mba chikoreta chibura buru ase ensemeyo nigo Olejoi atebre buna obochori obune kerokereria goseno nigo bora chikoba ekiorokererio ekia kubwatekana n'obochori borobiri gokorekana ase omwakore bosyo.
Tuko katika harakati ya siasa ambaye ilianza mapema, ilianza wakati tu serikali ilipoanza, na ni sawa. Lakini ile kitu mimi naomba inchi ni ya kwamba naomba kila kiongozi, wawe ni wa opposition, wawe ni wa serikali, tujaribu kupatanisha inchi ama kufanya inchi ishikane na kuwa kitu kimoja, ili tuweze kuwa na amani ambayo tumeweza kuwa nayo kutoka tulipojinyakulia uhuru 1963 mpaka hii leo. Na nawaomba tusijaribu kupotosha inchi ama kuleta inchi kuja kuwa na shida ya watu kutofautiana, ili tusije tukajikuta vile inchi zingine hapa zimejikuta, kama Somali ambayo mnaelewa, kama Sudan na Sudan hiyo ingine. Maana inchi ikipata tu kwenda mrama kidogo, kurudi kuwa katika hali yake ile itakuwa ni vigumu. na hiyo ndiyo njia ambayo nawaomba tusiingize nchi ya Kenya katika njia ile, kama viongozi ama mkiwa viongozi wetu. Wakati hii watu wanapofanya siasa, sijui anafanya siasa ya aina gani, kutukanana, kutajana majina mabaya, kutajana nini. Na nafikiri ukiniita na jina mbaya, sio ati ndio utapata kura, sio ati ndio utakuwa umeongoza nchi, sio ati itaonekana ndio utakuwa wewe ni kiongozi zaidi ya yule mwingine. Si kila mtu ana jina yake ambaye alipewa na wasasi yake na ama sijui na nani. Si uniite na jina lile na mimi nikuite na jina yako. Kwanza rais wa nchi ni rais wa nchi ya nchi yote kwa jumla. Na ni rais yako hata wewe pia ukiwa opposition. Siku hizi mnaita yeye Kasongo, mnaweka majina sijui nini. Lakini hiyo sio kuondoa hiyo majina haitayaondoa. Si mungoja wakati ya kura alafu muondoe na kura ya wananchi. Wewe upate kuingia ama wewe uangushe. Ama wewe uangushane basi. Sababu unapotukana na rais wa nchi, utakuwa hata wewe utakuwa umekosa kujiheshimu wewe mwenyewe. Sio ati ni yule humheshimu, wewe pia hujiheshimu. Na kutujiheshimu, basi na wewe utakuwa unaheshimu mwingine na wewe hutaheshimiwa. Na kama ni wewe ama ni mimi ndio nitakuja kuingia kesho, sinataka kuwa na heshima ile ambayo nimepewa na nchi ama nimepewa na wananchi. Kwa hivyo hiyo naomba tunapofanya siasa kama hiyo ya Olkalau na ile kubwa ambayo itakuja 2027, tujaribu kwenda kwa utaratibu iliyowekwa na sheria ya Kenya ama na katiba ya nchi. Kwa sababu hiyo ndio mimi ningependa kuomba nchi kama msee, kama kiongozi wa Council of Elders wa na kama kiongozi ambaye pia ni kiongozi, na kama msee ambaye sitaki, huwa wanasema palipo na wazee hapaharibiki neno, na kuomba viongozi hata rais hata nani tuwe tukitoa hotuba yetu kwa lugha inayofaa, inayosikika, kuwa hata kama utanilenga mimi, lakini kwa mambo ambayo itaonekana ni kweli anasema ukweli, lakini sio ya kutumia ile lugha ingine ambayo itaharibu hata ile ambayo ukweli ulikuwa nayo. Hiyo ni kushauri, hiyo ni ushauri wa mzee. Wacha wale ambayo lugha yao ni hiyo tu, hawana lugha ingine, ni ya kutukanana tu. Wewe Ruto, wewe nani? Ni kama mtoto mdogo. Hata siku hizi hatuambii watoto wadogo hapo wewe mtoto. Wamepotoka na kukosa kuwa na heshima, kujiheshimu wao wenyewe. Kama wewe unataka tukuheshimu, ujiheshimu wewe mwenyewe kwanza. Na kama hutaki hiyo, hata wewe utafanywa yale ambayo unafanyia wale wengine. Watatumia ile lugha wakikujibu. Hata kama hakuwa na nia ya kusema, watakujibu.
Togutigana ayo yensemo ya Olkalau abarai be county ya Nandi nigo baumiranire ase enyumba ya Karen igaiga aso omosho Nairobi. Abarai yabo nigo baumirana ase nyumba yae omokonyi b'umurai bwense Professor Kithure Kindiki ase bono bakwaneire emeroberi ao eyibara baguchikubwaterana erikwenekia abamenyi bense meyugo sabamenyi be county ya Nandi konyora bare amagenderero ayo akorwegwa ne serikali.
My good brothers and sisters from Nandi, thank you for coming to look at the status, speed, and position of the various development projects in the various constituencies within our county of Nandi. There is a good progress going on around roads, electricity, water, education, a wide array of sectors where government projects are on course. And I look forward to come and see some of them next week. You have also brought me up to speed from a practical perspective where each of those projects are. And we have agreed that there are a number of projects that require a bit of unlocking so that they can be accelerated. I want to give you my assurance that I'm going to follow through each and every of those projects with the relevant ministry, department, agency to make sure by the time I come to Nandi next week, God willing, we have attended to what needs to be attended from this space. I am very happy to support the president in running the affairs of this country, because looking at the outlay of projects and programs that this government is running, for the first time, I am very proud that in every county, in every part of Kenya, we have projects that we can talk about. Roads, electricity, water, markets, affordable housing. It was never the case before, because I have been in this space for a while, in the political space, but for the first time there's a deliberate effort to ensure every part of Kenya is reached. That's why you get the testimonies that we are receiving from some of our brothers and sisters from some parts of Kenya who had almost given up because they were never attended to. They've never seen tarmac. They've not seen electricity. They've never seen a modern market. But today, there is no single county that has not been touched by the programs and projects of this administration. And for me, that is a very high point for this administration and for the president. Whoever has whatever interests, ambitions, must know before 2032, there is 2027. And therefore, we must have some order of priority and say, for the time being, the most urgent priority is to ensure the good work that the president has done is not wasted by political brokers and conmen in the opposition who do not seem to understand a single thing about any program, about any sector. You will sit with them, you will talk to them, you will listen to them, you will not hear them talking about what we need to do about our education sector, our health sector, except saying they will abolish the reforms that have been brought to modernize these sectors.
Togotigana na yo omokonyi gosoyo kabero omokonyi bomurai bwenseriga de gashagwa ritkore igoro nigo aumeranete negati abamenyi bensemo gose begesaku kyabasigisi abamenya ba South Rift barwete ensemo ya Kericho, Bomet na Roko na Boigochi e county ya Nakuru nigo bamutarete wika ase enkayaye ya wa Munyoro ukwana kurwa ase ensemeyo abamenya bono nigo barireira yogochia komosira omo kumusira Rigathi Gachagua asebatebire buna nere bweka baroche gose nere ndorero irachigokonya ensi ya Kenya kubwatikana batebire buna oborai bumurai gose omoske Ruto nigo bwanyarire ko baboko ba oborai buburimo nabo igo buburianani asabono barokubore gochia ase Rigathi Gachagua kwene kibuna eserikali ya opposition gochire goswa asoborai asobochori borobosyo ero kwene kibuna aba Kenya tibari gochigwetera emechando eyubagendrete kwene kia asege kekega.
Sijui kama tunaweza kuongea leo na mambo yote ibadilike ama tutaendelea tena kurudi kwa huko Ang'ata mahali shida iko. Kwa sababu serikali mingi imekuwa ikiongoza Kenya hii. Serikali ya mzee Kenyatta, Moi, Kibaki, Uhuru. Na ilikuwa inajulikana kuna watu wa Ang'ata Barikoi. Hata huyu rais wa sahi Ruto Sindi Mkale na alikuja Ang'ata, wase wa mnywele nyeupe wakamwambia mheshimiwa, hapa tunateswa na Wakuria kutoka Tanzania, hapa tunateswa na Wakuria wengine kutoka sehemu nyingine ya Western huko, ni Nyanza huko. tutafanya namna gani? Tunataka kuishi mashamba zetu. Kumbe tunaeleza fisi ya kwamba iko nyama iko hapa ndani. Akaenda kuketi chini, akaita wazee hapo, akapanga, akadanganya wazee ya kwamba hiyo nitamaliza. Hata wazee wengine hapa walikuwa. Akasema hiyo ni kidogo sana, hiyo nitamaliza. Miezi 2 ijayo nitarudi hapa. Lakini yeye miezi 2 sio yeye ndiye alikuja. Ni maaskari na marisasi.
Tunakutambua kama shujaa, mtu aliye na hekima. That is why tumefika hapa leo. So wengine hawataelewa vipi nimeweza kujitambulisha kwa umakinifu huo. Wewe ni mtu ambaye tumekuwa wafuasi wako. Juzi ukiwa Bomet, ukaongea tu kupita tu, William akaja akatengeneza lamp. So ningetaja jina bure kweli.
Mimi nafikiria wakati Raila Odinga alikuwa wai, hapo mwanzoni alikuwa anasaidia Kenya. Baga huyu William Ruto alikuwa anaeleza Raila ni adui. Juzi ameshikana na Raila. Ametueleza tena Gachagua ni nani? Ni adui. Lakini ameshikana na nani? Na Raila. Na ila adui alikuwa anatueleza ni adui. Sai ako na Deviot Mkikuyu. Anasema huyu ni adui na ako na Mkikuyu. Hiyo amesema nini? Kuna maneno ameongea hapo. Chunga inji. Inji itaenda mahali mbaya. Na usiogope. Kuna siku niliongea kwa mashishi ya Ng'eno. Nilikuwa naongelesha Patrick Keturet Ole Ntutu. Nilieleza usiogope siasa ya Kenya. Siasa ya Kenya iko na vitisho mingi. Hata mimi naona marafiki zangu wale wanaomba kitu. Ka standby. Na uwe mwanaume kabisa. Sauri ukicheza utawachana na watoto. Kaa kama mwanaume. Na kama kuna kitu ya maana Kenya hii, ukufe kwa ukweli. Kama kuna kitu ya maana Kenya hii, ukufe ukisema ukweli. Wangapi mabastas kwa Biblia Johanna ilikatwa shingo. Sauli alikuwa na ubiri neno la Yesu. Si ilikatwa shingo? Kama ilikatwa Johanna, kama iliua Yesu, sisi ni nani? Lazima tuseme ukweli. Kama atatufanya ila atafanya tumesema nini? Ukweli. Hata kama mtu ni yetu na amekosea, eleza amekosea. Na sisi hatuna ukabila. Hatukuwa tunajua harakati. William Ruto alituletea. Paka tumejua. Na wakati Uhuru Kenyatta alitesa William, huyo mwanaume alisaidia yeye. Si alisaidia yeye? Vile mzee ameongea hapa leo hii amekuteza. Hata sisi tutakusaidia. Tutakusaidia kwa njia yoyote, paka nyama, paka damu kama anataka. Tutatoa hiyo damu apate. Paka upate wai. Uokoe nchi. Bahati nzuri huko na Dorcas. Na niliingia kwako, kuna wakati nilirudi nyumbani, kuna tu kitu nilikuza kwa roho yangu. Dorcas ni mtu anaamini Yesu. Achakasirika, kuna maneno aliongea pale, anasema nini adui yako samea ya kufanyia makosa. Nikasema hii mtu ni hatari. So excellence, chunga nje. Tunakutegemea.
Ukielekea upande wa Kericho pia, Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua, nilikuwa nimekuona ukitembelea majani chai ya Kericho. Saa hii majani chai ya Kericho na Bomet inakatwa na mashine. It is under mechanization. Yet we have a number of youths which are jobless in Kericho County and Bomet, wenye wangefaa wachune ili wapate mikate ya kila siku. But they are only staring at the machine in the farms. Yet the land belongs to their forefathers. Bado hawajapewa hiyo shamba, bado hawajapewa, hawapewi kazi. Yaani hii jamii imenyanyaswa sana. Sijui shida yetu ni nini. Ebu let us wake up from slumber. Ebu tuamke. Tuamke. This is the generation.
Huyu kijana wenyu ninamjua sana. Huyu ni kijana ambayo hana hekima na hajaridhi mtu yoyote. Moi alikufa kama hangemsalimia kwa mkono. Mnajua hivyo? Na kwa jamii yenyu ya Wakalenjin ni lazima kuheshimu nini? Moi hakumpa hiyo kijana baraka. Mnajua hivyo? Kenyatta mwenyewe huyu kijana walikuwa naye alimpa baraka kweli? Kwa hivyo ni mtu anatumia dhuluma ya hali ya juu sana ya kuwamaliza watu.
Watu wanachagua serikali wasaidie. Nikamwambia yeye, hawa watu ya bonde la ufa waliamini sisi, wakatupatia kura kwa sababu walikuwa na matumaini ya kwamba tukipata kura kuna yale tutatekeleza. Watu ya mlima walitupatia kura, kuna maneno yao. Hata tukiendelea kusaidia wengine, pia tukaangalia hawa watu walitusaidia. Tukaendelea vizuri mpaka alianza kuongea na watu ya ODM. Mimi nikaambiwa huyu kiongozi ameanza kukutana na Raila usiku. Sikuamini. Nikauliza yeye akaruka. Mimi? Bana hakuna kitu kama hiyo. Askari wananiambia hii mtu yako iko mkutano anafanya na huyu mzee. Nikaanza kumuuliza, anaruka. Ananidanganya, hakuna. Ninaona ameanza kuondokea sisi pole pole. Bomet haendi, anaenda kanisa. Kericho haendi. Mlima hakuji. Nikiuliza yeye na kuwa mkali. Tukaendelea. Nikashika red handed akiwa na mzee. Hakuwa anajua nitakuja usiku. Sasa unajua pale sifungiwi. Nikapigiwa simu nikaambiwa ile mzee ameingia. Nikakuja pop, nikafungua mlango nikakuta wanaongea. Nikamwambia wewe si uliniambia muongee, na nikatoka nikaenda. Mambo yetu na yeye ilianza kuharibika alipoanza kutafuta hii watu ya ODM. Ile alikuwa anakachifu Uhuru. Akasema yeye na Uhuru walianza kukosana Uhuru aliposhikana na nani? Siri alikuwa anasema. Akasema Raila ni mganga, ameroga Uhuru, tangu Uhuru ashikane na Raila, amekuwa mtu mwingine. Mimi nikauliza yeye, si wewe ulisema Uhuru aliposhikana na huyu shida ilipatikana, mbona mumeshikana? Akasema bana wacha tuunde Kenya nini. Nikamwambia ni sawa, lakini usisahau wale walikusaidia. Nilikuja Kericho, saa ile nilianza kuona watu wangu wa Rift Valley wamewachwa nje. Niliongea nikiwa Kericho. Nikasema hii serikali tulikuwa na makubaliano na kila jamii ili invest kwa hii serikali. Kwa hivyo lazima watu wapate haki yao. Nikasema hao watu ya Kericho na watu ya Bomet wako na shares kwa hii serikali, wali invest, lazima pia wavune, kwa sababu ukipanda lazima ufanye nini? Nikaenda Kapsabet nikasema the same. Sasa waliposhikana na Raila na ODM akanigeuka. Hiyo mazungumzo is primitive, is retrogressive. What kind of talk is that? Na tulikuwa tumekubaliana na yeye.
Tukurwa ase enseme ya wa Munyoro nigo tukira na wikagaiga ase county ya Nairobi ase omoseneta bwe county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna oire okoboko omoswada bwe chipara omoswada yumanyikanite na Kenya Roads Amendment Bill nigo gose gukwana aborit kuri igoro ase amagacho ye Senate. Sifuna ni gatebiribuna omoswada uyu nigo oromuya oise gokorerwa amaunchuriria nabo igo bari bagwechia konyorigereria nigo babonete koba abegenwa gochia ase abakenya chingaki echicho. Sifuna ni gatebiribuna nigo keromo Kenya abwanerete konyora amagendero ye chipara namone bintu binde binge wanchiriria gotaiyo asa atebiribuna egatia barayi nigo babere bakurwa amagenderero aso wanchiriria.
Roads Act. Mr. Speaker, this is an area that has had a lot of debate has had a lot of debate because, Honorable Speaker, you know that if you go to the 4th schedule of the Constitution makes reference to only 2 types of roads. That is the national trunk roads under the 4th schedule and county roads. There are no other roads, Honorable Speaker. And we have really suffered here in Nairobi because sometimes, Honorable Speaker, we don't know which agency is responsible for which road. Yesterday, I told you I was in Lavington area. I was telling this story in the morning. I visited Ndoto Road in Lavington. It is in bad shape. And the residents there also tell us that there is proper confusion as to who is responsible for that particular road. Then, Honorable Speaker, I have complaints also from residents of Karen. Some roads there, when you ask who's responsible for the upkeep of that road, Kera tell you, or the national government says it's supposed to be county government say that is a national road. So there are positives that I can see in this particular bill, but I want to start with the problems, Honorable Speaker. Because you can see that as from the 4th schedule, as I've said, there are only 2 levels of roads. And my expectation with this bill was that it was going to bring more clarity. But I can assure you, I am more confused as to the types and levels of roads now after reading this bill than I was before. Because, Honorable Speaker, I think they have created a vast number of new roads and stuck most of them under the national government. If you go to the bill itself, it has a schedule there, the 1st schedule, and you will see they have created something they are calling national roads. Then they have created urban roads. Then there's A3 rural roads. Then there's something they are calling security roads. Then there's something they are calling last mile city roads. And Speaker, if you read the descriptions there, I am sure I'm not the only one in this house. I think you have to be an engineer to actually understand the language that is employed in the 1st schedule to know which road is which one. So, Speaker, when you go to that 1st schedule, you have all this new terminology that is being used. And when you read the description, for instance, Speaker, if I can just pick one, there is something called rural roads, secondary, national trunk roads. Then it says roads linking major designated towns and forming a continuous network with Class A and Class B roads. Special purpose roads, roads providing direct access to places of specific national, social, or economic importance, including industrial and commercial areas and government institutions such as schools, hospitals, prisons, government housing. Security roads, roads strategic to national security as identified by the ministry responsible for internal security and communicated to the minister from time to time. Now, if you just consider the architecture of our country, even just this city, you will find that most of these institutions that are being referenced here will fall along the same road, you know? So the confusion here, Honorable Speaker, is going to be quite palpable. Part B of that classification is what they are calling county roads. So the county roads are Class D, E, and I think DU and EU, yeah? So, Speaker, in my view, they have actually made it worse in terms of our understanding of which road is a national trunk road and which one is a county road. I don't think that the descriptions that are being used here are actually constitutional in my view, because the Constitution has already specified that the national government is only responsible for national trunk roads. And everybody knows what a national trunk road is. A national trunk road is the level of, for instance, the A104, the famous A104 that links Nairobi to the western part. And I think the one from Nairobi to Mombasa, that's a national trunk road. We don't expect that counties will do such work. But if you see that description that is there in the schedule, Honorable Speaker, I think we are going to have challenges going forward. Now, other than that, Honorable Speaker, I can see that there is a provision that has been woven in there that requires that the national, what is it called? The Kenya Roads Board can only send funds to counties for roads once the counties open a special purpose account with the CBK. We will have issues here as the Senate because we don't want our counties to be micromanaged. Allow counties to be able to manage functions that have been given to them without the micromanagement from the national government. Now, a few positives, Honorable Speaker. under clause 47(3)(b), you will see that they are providing for something that we as a country have struggled with for a very long time, that all parts of the country must have reasonable access to a national trunk road or a county road. This is the equity that we've been looking for, especially under the Equalization Fund, that there are counties that are so far away from national trunk roads that it is impossible to access some of those counties. We want development to be equitable in this country because every one of us pays taxes and we deserve those roads in our areas. Under 47A, they have provided for the functions of the county governments, where it says each county shall maintain, rehabilitate, develop, and develop county roads. The only problem I have is my earlier submission, Honorable Speaker, that they have actually narrowed the definition of the roads that should fall under county governments, and I believe it is an affront on devolution that we should resist. Then the management of road reserves and access to roadside development. Speaker, I have a background in outdoor advertising. My first meaningful job was as a legal affairs manager of a company that does billboards. And Honorable Speaker, I get into a lot of problems with those people who shout kazi ni kazi, because my experience is that kazi si kazi. There is kazi that can actually change your life, transform your entire village. And that is the first job that I'm referring to that was meaningful. Honorable Speaker, we used to have a lot of fights with the Kenya Urban Roads Authority and even Kura, not Kura, Kera and the others, and Kenha, because we were of the view that advertising and control of advertising, under the 4th schedule of the Constitution, again, Honorable Speaker, is a county function. And our argument was that national government institutions should have no role to play in licensing of roadside or road reserve developments, what they call road furniture. But to our dismay, those national government entities were very rabid in terms of saying, no, the road reserves belong to us. So I am happy, although they have reduced the definition, again, of the roads that fall under counties, that it is clear that management of road reserves, access, and to roadside developments under 47A has been made clear that it is a functional responsibility of the county governments. And then under 47AC, management of traffic. Management of traffic on county roads has been specifically isolated as a county function, Honorable Speaker, so that we have we should have the capacity as the Nairobi County government, for instance, to manage traffic on our roads without interference from the national police. Honorable Speaker, under 47B, it is something that also I support on signage on our roads, that every road should have signage showing the classification of the road and which government level is responsible for its maintenance, rehabilitation, and development. This will solve that problem that I referenced, Honorable Speaker, that there are roads like Ndoto Road in Lavington, where there is a tag as to who is responsible for maintenance and rehabilitation of that road. It's in the speakable state. And then my favorite, Honorable Speaker, under 47B, which I'm sure some of my friends in the county assemblies will not like, and the governors, that no person will be allowed to put signage on our roads with their name or image. Because you have seen, and I'm sure members who drive around Nairobi and even in the other counties, you will see that every road, whenever there is maintenance of the road or it's being upgraded, you will see the face of the governor there, and then the face of the MCA there, saying they are the ones responsible for the good state of the road. We have, yes, now this is a specific amendment that is in the roads amendment bill. Speaker, we have had this conversation many times. We want Kenyans to understand that we as taxpayers deserve these things. They are not favors. They are not favors, and any person can build a road. I hear people pontificating, saying, oh, I am the one who's building the road from here to there, so you should elect me or re-elect me or give me a second term. We are saying any person with authority or in authority and collecting our taxes has the ability to build roads. A dictator will build roads, a democrat will build roads. If you go to this, some of these countries that have dictatorships, they have built fantastic roads, Honorable Speaker. So that is not an argument for re-election. Any person can build you a stadium. It is not a favor. Moi built us 2 fantastic stadia that we use up to today.
Nakurwa ase oroboti uru umoncho morigereria rwe seneti kigana re sifuna no tukuragenda omotimoko omokego tukirana togoswa asense moya kabiro yo moroberio ekero mogenito aikirega se studio toguchikonyara kabato kumorekera buna butambari agendete gwatika karongo kumanyinga tochiare kwirana nde ase gekege kerobosyo.
Eye Nensoko TV, uboroso bumugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudi, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authority and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721151500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Ine nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri ugucakirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kieriberera gosenga kiyobokendu tawe chandika Autobat Kenya Limited no tuligigiga asingichao nigo tokorosia na koni chibetri uratumia chinga kichonsi chibetri uratumie asegari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuro.
Kupitia pale kwa gari yako tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka ne battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wakuja mstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Magega ya televisioni ya Nsoko gwikasero yao kwanyoribaga ligi yaliyokuraria asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeriroba liagusi onye kubwa tokuraria gukwenyuria ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono na bokonyoribaga lya bene liyokuraria asegete senieke asoliguri liyakibusani tulikere gose twakere simigwitire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662. Chinchira chito chigekoro nigo chirasoko goserwa konene gosiriwa ne chinchira chekerero ekira kikiagire nsoko TV twachire guturigisa ku kyomugusi kurwa soko limera asendiba y'abanyandwariro
oboroso bw'omugusi bwegekirwe omugusi bono ne chinchira chiago goikaransanse na kubeke TV yao kwene kingangwe somye oregekoro kyomugusi
wetero murobiryo bw'igekoro gyeito hasi tukumira nabaga kabasamwerere nabuigabange nabanyika eriko kwanira okwebogia chindagira amasikani chinyangi nemejega ao y'omugusi
kera litsuko ria ramisi chinsa ibere igoro imeye TV yao na Mbeya Nsoko TV
na Stephen Nyarike Mbunde tolende ekimira
eye Nsoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi
yegoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko yegoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko ibyengia yagire ngumanga bunalero Nsoko
nabali b'ekishinguru eriko emanya abona wateka kuri kitanenye cyense Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Linet Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke nakige kos kiamesa yamangana majia.
Ine asama kia ya mbireo, seino mbireo. Asama tuko amaega, obogima bwakira litko womogusi, nigo bwale gosirwa nobolemi, rikomera, riburga, risamora. Bionsi ase kerenga yokobeka ase ekiage ekemo. Ningi keire ribaga rikiage asenka yomogusi. No bonchereria, no borokia, no bonyanyimbo, gose no bwagachi. Asomoroberio wikiage kyomogusi, nobe gokumerana na inche Frida Kerubo, kera litkoria ijuma, chinsa ibere chamugoroba, astogo sanga no mugusi kurwa chingongo eliokumanya naki bakwenyorera engere yabo ya kera litko. Omocha.
Eye Nsoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi onye kubwatari iboryo obosemia gusekero kende gyonsigoro y'emirobiri yaitu y'Nsoko TV twakeresimi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri yuko ry'email nsokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service itego tukasamaga hazina towers egoroba ya 5 asumucyo munene Nairobi. Nsoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi. Magega ya televishoni ya Nsoko gwikasero yao kwanyoriribaga ligi yaliyokuraria asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuraria gukwenyoria ogukwa gose okubonchureria bono na bokonyori bagari ya bene liyokuraria asegete asoriguri liyake busani turikere gose twakere simigwitire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788 666662. Eye Nensoko TV Uboroso Bumugusi.
Biamono kigima na indwe umurigire bwensoko kironde no kwegena kwa buna nigore meyo moroberi bwetorobeni togoswa ase entunda ya kabere buna butwambe ase entunda ya kabere nigo tokonyora omogeni ogochaga igasi studio tokuba tokumurikira ebintu biri bigendete kwene kigwa anene buna egesa kukyo muguse ritkoria rero nigo toguchikumurikira engane mwamu buna culture of politics in Kise guse chimbwa chiage siasa asoro gongorwa gusi tutaite tumanye naki na kisiasa yiga yoro gongorwa gusi ya chagete naki abarai banyate ko baba kwene kibuna gusekero kendekero to gukora siasa kunya ko batukurigereria chimbwa chiri chiege koro aso o siasa yiga kwene kigwa imeyense omogeni wito Samuel Mumanyi oikirega ase studio ekero to konyora chinga kichogo semani nabo igo chokonyora okumanyanga intubuna bagusina kitobwene to gukora siasa cheto. Karibu sana Samuel.
Ambe muno moralia ase chinga kichira tukira ya segete sendi yeto ya nsoko tura yaligere mangana abera atatu alia tutunge tibuna unegesa kubitu kyomagusi
ekero tugukwanira sami buna bono toteba eno musa ekero monta ukurigitura bamugaka buyiga ekero tugukwanira chumbwa chiage siasa gose history of politics ni gose ninki gocha sobongo bwabo
endo gocha sobongo ni elinga inomedento siasa chetu siasa njiko ba siasa wana siasa batai siasa tatabenga siasa na beko banga izatamu lakini abantu bakora siasa yuna na abantu bunaindu so lendenga yani the history yaito ya yomusie as a politics yaito enjera nere yigegetu akwege kungole kwegegetu ase ndata like nutuna maiga atatu what are the pillars cha politics ya soito usi niringa amaskani na alinge as a politics ito ya kale maskani na alengororo na nintu abwate transparency yo burai uriyo maitenga ki umurayo ito no yoiga negento kiayo mugambi ga kwana yani maskani alingo kwana nga amaskani ngaki umurai na koleteki nasikire murai naro nande nasikire so those pillars tipila chiri aliko gitero murai neringa ngaki abantu bakumupasive ngaki bakumwira negenjera abantu bari kumwira neringa ki inki agokora usembintu ki alikokolera abagusigo saba abantu baito bakamaskani aba retained so historically ntu abwade ntu kurukunga political hygiene hygiene yaito usenda nyeruke tumetinga kingoje bekeke usi yani nga siasa yaito ya chenegete ya sibiri to an extent where umurai gali kurukumurai tari bono gatubwata abarai bari bakurigere kuruchi enjere tofauti na abarai bakare bakarigere usikurigere engaki yanyona you could see what they are fighting for na bukurigere engaki yanyona usikurigere no alenga said the is it Kabengulia 6 so yani mbabwate njira bari gukora ibintu mbukurwanira barenge abana inchi for example boene n'ebintu ebinge bari kurwanira abana inchi but rero uburayi bwitu bwachenjire bwabeire mbuli munaririye gekoro bwabeire bono it's for me and myself
you and your stomach
so bono ine rita tofauti ya chenjire the culture gusembweli abana siasa baito bakare babwata tirie mbubono tuanyore tuachakire tima idinga aide bintu mbere uranyore bia affectly use embuyeito ya siasa nabakonyora abantu basomire nando basomire bachakire kurigera siasa tofauti na njire itu akanyirigere usaba kaka baito uche bakuri sokuru chitu cha karigere use the dynamics ebintu bia chenjiri time to asa mangana okosoma technology na ebintu na social change ebintu bina nabakonyora bia gerire siasa ito nande ya change kuruki wango kilia nenge ochike but telling I change to the better it's going to worse
ekara gutogendete gukwa na sami kwa buna kwanyere kwa gukwa na yukwanyere kwa gokwera kenda masomo gwatebire na barabe aretre siasa yanyara kwa bage korekana about in area kare engana neroro the role of elders on any and cultural value as a siasa yenkoro nombo negato isigokwa na ko kwa the role of elders kwa rorenga ekero no mwana siasa kuroro gongorwa gusi atagete koba kubona nekerogo unabona gatwarorire nonye county ya Kisii mugabana Simbarati ngakinere na yara ikaranze tugwekerogo keri agatebe ungabono nero monogeri gose bagamwaka mabutanero monogeri bomuguse matiangi agacha mwera agateba o akirwa mabutobeire monogeri bomuguse twararore nona abaiga abempia abaiga bakubori nono oborogo ebirogo baboke ngonyambane narore nabarubunga abagaka babeire bakubabekera amagoko nganero gochiko kubori ekerogo na kioro chengane you political gose elders na kiora abakwanire se amakia yega
bano endo ndatebe ya kiabeire tofauti ona nati ka gotabali tangani wesukurigirya our elders abagaka bali bayitundu ba the Gusii Council of Elders na singenjo maybe ndatebe nga tini kuporoka bole ububorai para singenjo ba abagaka bali bayita abakoro ba jakire adapt embwenya yo gota value e culture guse embweli yeito ya kisiasa muna yarenge kale kwanyore nga bachakire okora ebintu mbali gokora sengencho na yobwenete gusuno yobwenete koegwa wakwa maguta asoko bomono galibu mugusi usikurire kero muntu gagate noni nje nabonko enda nyore besa igangende nsaranze interview abagaka bali kero muntu mukiami obonusi bokego still nabonko bekwa baka omaito okwe baka musirio maita na bekere tunere egutu matiangi na bekere musiri na bekere na arati na bekere nonde nere totaramanya ekero ukurigeriga inki imbuki yasoko kurwa yega embu yasoko kurwa yega bakabagaka bali baito barenge ku retain bakume baendete kugitera culture yito gusembu yito yomugusi ya kisiasa na baru bachakire guchinjia sengenju chinga kichya chenjiri endo gakogera ngelinga yani tianyero ke corruption even nona bagaka bali baito they can be corrupted kubekera umuntu kwako umuntu amaguto gusukumubekere egutwa atawe andaliye tukusata bwene tikoyibekerwa so in short there are so many challenges to anyorire chi challenge chinyinge chiagerire ekogera eninie culture yito kusembu yito yomugusi kesiasa ya change nere corruption nande ngento kende kiagerire umujando beire ndobade ndukurunga political violence like there is a violence umuntu ketamanyire nga Oyiga tutachi tomokorera iga tari gocha nturi gocha korangere none bibago toitwe. Yani ogwa ako instill fear. Ntoche totale. Yani political violence yagerire paka nonye mbali babwana takorwa boyane bwegutu eringa nyare bane rwanda gotukwanera. That is why gusiye ito eta buate amoni. Tebuate yani obuamo bolito tabanga ki nintu muntu nawe gutokwanera unabona yuzi kurigereria egesa kukia baikoyo na bapantu bunantu lakini mbabwate system that works akariye ikere ngano muntu kubakwana they don't mbali ko give chances iko bako make sure ngaki they have gotten the right person uzi kurigereria kero uru Kenyatta arenge kali kara gukwana abantu bali koiwa bakacha bakaturubani obuamo obugekero 2022 guchikobaiga iliruta ajetega obuamo bunande bugasira uroje bona iga bakore batebire nturiko ko make na that mistake enki yabatete kwirana chimbuchiri cyabo chinkoro buna barenge buna bayikoyo egere embweri yabo ngaki barabu they will do a uniform thing yani nge uniform ne ngaki kelia omonogerio bateba na kibakora uyure bona igakachabo abantu no moita gale tribe gale what yani let me tell you nga egesa kwekero gechetamo abantu bakwoba igokoro kunga no muntu bwe kenyoro gose ole tribal na sengenje bamanyire ngaki ayo oko unite egesa kukino ebintu nganda biri kuchinji kose bantu mbali batari kwanda wa chief ebintu biri batagete wa chief politically so inere ni ende political violence ethnic and tribal politics ndubate binyoro bukukuni boli mali nga ngakitoko umugirango nganero okobomonogeri
iyo go fall under clan and family
kwa mara konyora ngaki uyu muntu kitoko muntu ki stage ki ngaki na bwata amali umatise itali ndubate etabigo sembwa embweli ngaki umuntu nara ngoko for example kuza kale usino mwalimu around yabo umuntu ndatasometi yabo komera konyora nga uyuga akwanirike ibintu byakorereki kiabe talinga akwana kusabwa to bungaini iya sengenjo ngaki nerorora kanire bunetaya bono bintu kirikenda okwana ngasengeja abantu batasometi around yabo kusine kenyuru kwamana konyora nga umujando yo baire nga ijakwana na make decision yembe abantu bagofulu because ngaki neroro kucha kwa abantu ekonda uchukumukwana bobe na jako yakonda na onyole nini onyole usinisa yani abantu bayira bekeya tali nga sengenjo yaro murai obekeya sengenjo yobolehu bwabo bwo konyora no mujana
ekara tukagendete samiga bo tugendete gukwana gabo twarorire nga kero kinde abaga baiga kunya kwena na chigutu ichiga turo chingango siribare egesa kukyomuguza
yani tali gusirigeza kukyomuguza igyoka abasiriri oboroso bwembu yaito bunaba gusiki siyasa bayisiriri completely bono iguzi kuligeli ekero simbarati agutena okwana muno monogeli because na bekere tu amaguta na ndu mbantu kuba mubekere ta amaguta na bagaka babaito no mubekere ta amaguta aya musirize gukwana ngana nje
nera ukwana muno monogeli
nera ukwana muno monogeli bumuguzi aya oyo ndai aise ko imoka nera kwana matiani nera ga kwana muno monogeli bumuguzi inkikie koroke egento tu asiriri no boruso inki totaite kuwachi bune community bune gesa kugeto kyomuzi abwana no imbulego totuera imbulego totuera this way wa asengenjo tu atore ngento kurunga low trust yani to atore trust iringa nche ekarona iro yo nimbwa to kubekero ya maguta benefit nero to kuri they trust you mondo yonga na jaba korere bintu bibere bitatu na kiba koreki bakumubekere uto tintenge tiko siria masikani uchi asaba kaka waito ikitari kero kitari eganga ya nene eganga ya nene eringa ki asaba kaka bali balega mbaro bakke balega timali baru rasoburuso bwito bwumugusi ekerenga kerikia bagaka babwena takokora yakoreki kiabarura ase bale asengenjo yenda yaba banyene noko gani kwabo kolio konyene so umuntu abatabanga ki ayembekere yendekega nabongo kulikero umwana county ya nabongo kucha kulikero nabongo kwirira umwana America ebintu byabere bimuna innocent ebintu byo kumunguso egere tusiri oboroso bwito nane in short to aziri oboroso because of through those etabie yose embwe yagerire ebintu bitari kogenda usaba akabatari gukora buno kugani kumuguzi kwane ngose buna yatiekire egose bune ebintu byabangire gabo kale so that is That's and they to konyerukanga the abuse of that office back hold. They have abused the office because in Barikoko omada spirit nere ya karaire abarayi abakale.
Bagachira
asenali bagachire for example agetuno igoro yagarukirwe ngakiri nga bagachire na baamine tu ngaki these kinds of elders bareta machibu baza batu bakamuruke enkoronyero urenge nyasa oito bagenda igoro gali baza banone embura ya siretali mune enjereri batanga ki egetuno igoro twasambe manga emanga ya yiri okiri agenda igoro ingege sacrifice ya ito yakoreki ya igwekane abantu bagenda gali batenga libina libina lili yale gotangwa se nchi ogwakera ogwakambu ya mono elinga ki nyasa ebono kokolengi ngoto igwo. That is our way, that is our culture. Ine mbutu abwate ngaki ine erenchera tokora muno mugusi. Lakini mona gara tu deviate tu asukiri kurwali kerenga keria kyo mugusi buna tu arenge amachibu gara mabe. Amachibu na raya akoletwa na sengencho yo buraibono. They have ukonyora ngaki obviously banya abuse. Asengencho yo kwani kwa bokomo trust yamana kone ande yento kende ko influence ga kamuna bagaka abalege kwa konyora kwabo nogoke because of poverty na inequality no gotalengana ase kenyoro bantu bonsi ntori no ligeri byale byoko boko byonsi mbire ngai kende nkerega kende nkerekena so kwa mana konyoranga asonye njiyo gutanyora usobole ubwo konyora waito kwanyoranga tukungusu bwango asoli uchiro begete suti obegete tayo bwatenda kwanyoranga ki ebintu bya change toirire na igobogeka asengenjo yoko yobale wobu waito so that weakness nanda asengenjo into yogo tende kurunga civic education kwa mara konyoranga ki ntubu atibu manyibuli tubwene tugutwara buna abarayi abarayi ana barumba boneta ko bayikwiputikera litoko so asengenjo yokonyora kuri witoko nge kuri nyasato seseniri tomona goteka advantage yabagaka abaiga asengenjo yobongo bwabo bagatari ko comprehend ibintu bwango twabasukumera because nganje no murayi na nimbwata beza unalindo tuona ati kagotaba kwamara konyora ngaki abarayi abato basukumire ba make a decision kitalenge ganga yo sitalenge kirenga kyumugusi gose embu yomugusi talikizi yazo kabaka no nyino komenya yeah
bia mono ekaro sam yektogen reto kwanira engane yu ya oboroso bwo muguse chimba chiri cyari kubwati kwa kare abasaye bono karo twarore bona bagaka baigando chingo tosiri bari youth participation nga yebane tegoswera buna bono batoire abanogeri gosembane tubona buna abasaye na kitokora rinde tumaye nga ya bagaka ba ngoto siri bari we need to do this and this
bono buna abasaye gose diante babas abakiale usa kegolike kinga kiyega abantu bandi bakorokanga ke abana abaramisi yani ababaramisi balentwe okugani weito kuri tofauti okugani weito tofauti na sengenjo ye technology for example technology indibona tu asoire na sengenjo ya masomo ali tu asomire ntu abanyene ninjira to kuligereria ebintu ninjira to koire ebintu yagerere tofauti mono tutari kwenda gutwara masikani paka nonye mbali bacho se babekirwa maguta asengenjo yogotora abunegisa kukyumugusi uise kuligereria nonye egente kebano yatika iraso umuntu asomire for example orule kuwe kenyoro gali ochire fono usambo ochire town ochire kokolegaze there is that culture we adapt usu kwanyoro mwana ochire uze Nairobi amuna tuachira there is yani enjera ilikuwa reretu kwa mwana uche kwanyori culture usu kwanyori embuende nande ye town iliyoko menye town so yamana kwanyora bono chimbwe chiabwatanire ekero chiabwatanire outcome na benga muno rabeke ngaki eyemo omente zero because eyemo omente eyemo tigutigara kobe eyemo again there is that improvement kwa mwana konyora nga eyemo omente eyemo yakorire ki result ya 2 so omuntu yotari gocha kuna arwete kenyoro igagocha nokogania okong'ao nokorora okong'ao maybe nencherende yokogania abarayi bari advanced to the level abantu bakorire ki abantu basomete ngogani balenga ki abarayi basomete tali nga abarayi basomete nabwo abaya ngora kwa nande example kende nga nabikunyalekana abantu basome lakini tera reta mbungi yo tera change monda bo muya na tebete inde nga ande ganga tebanga no montoro seti amontoro seti esumunu monto so mete enseta na korora lakini ekero soma ali aye ngamanyaga isaransa agakira akarengera ringi gento ndaro si esumunu ma etenga ki esumunga asikia okora esumunu goita yani in short abantu mbali bande basomete tari ngabasoma so komento bungai gusibuko cyo konye kenyu igo besomera sinjo yo gukora ki yo ku develop para buboka abanyene lakini enjerende nkindete goteba neringa abasaye baitu intuni jeremongo teba igana inje no mosaende no nda ibintu twaruziri no boroso bolia bolibuna tua igegetu no kuige kuwaito otu igegetu no gutwaro uboroso obongao kuringana muna twari gukinu na abayiboli baita stinga kije so randa bano ekero tweka twaro lengaki asengenjo y'abantu bako no gochoru bakiro umuntu wakirwa maguta kiro umuntu wakirwa maguta bon abagakaba gusabarayana ubato changanyire na wato burukani bakabona tukumanya ngaki uizi hu ngoto kubwati ngoto tari kubwati so in this process into ko ina community karo kwanyorera mix up buneyo omo chando ko banoli ngaki igoto guchaka ko gutwale into kiringa ya divide and rule abara imbale bagocha ba manyanga ki ekegolie kiga ekene gyokonywa maro igongo bagali banaizo no konywa maro omente oicholie busa ne changa igo manyire ngaki ekerago chaga abo igo bako motera nero gusasi mugabo oyo ndo ochanere ngaki aba injene kanisa nanje bonongo soyera ase kanisa ime inje ingisaranze kanisa ime abantu bamanya nganje no Kristo na inje gaga nonko babwatira ko inkinda etakoeresa li omoyali onno linga asengenjo yokugana waite tofauti one kwanyolere nga intuwa banyene bweka tuasiriria masikani na asengenjo kitwasiria masikani inkikiyagara endo kiyagara tuasiriria masikani elinga abarayi ababaito na baro basinyiru goto umwerekeo munabona igwisi kuri kigusi simba karago kwana igago kwana na William Ruto oyo ndekarago kwana ndo bwato monogeli ito oyo le Nairobi gaiga kurukunga musire na bwate yo agukwanira yani njirende ngaki sese te yeta bwati moyo no sese chokora chiko no utara no nyene town ga chichiro kuna kora sese lite utari ngate sese lime bwato monyene aya wakora matiangi nere matiangi na bwato mutaga kora ki agukwanira so bone esta buje goja kwanga ki bono ngo asabanta abatatu ingo tukwanira so bono yaikire pakara amasikani yali tasirire we are not obeying that for example the laws of our community the guidance of your community ite wena to gutwa usabara ibaito ba wena to gotwa so we are not protected within that frame because that enini area egangeria yabagusiba usaba gakabaito bato igikirete so kwa muna konyora ngaki no nyeno ko engage waito nkuri peaceful na kikuara the other time asengenzo ya abuse of office nkwara lega koruki ya koruke umbu ega koruki ya koruke umbu ekeneki omwana ominto neke yani nobo rai obo tabagu nobore ubo rai bwabarayi to bwate bonoiga ngende kinki anako ena kigusiye ito lakini uise koligereria bonoiga ase togochi the trajectory a community yeite gochi ekare goikera to goitera manyinga into ase intwe just because nga ngomuntu gete ochire gosoira bamurabe bere batatu chibesa nga muntu gete tabasa gotenaga igakwane ase ngenjo yake neringa karo kwa feel tv ose kwara lekanene ngaki chinguru chiao nobole ubwao nokuige kukwao kwara lenga chinguru chia koereire yanyari kana ngaki ainjere we defend yoka noko seria abantu bande mbakwana ba egera banyore abantu banyora opinion yenye ngakai kumbura ina oboko benda kwamuna konyora ngaki abantu abasiriri oboroso na asengenjo batubereire oburayi obobe bwomonto babutubereire in the process in the form of nga nyale batata keri gukwana ga go sasengenjo mbwate chibeza igege korukeri kia nini kia ke umbwale inche okorora kwane na sengenjo intutue kabanyene na barai baita bakuru baita our council of elders they have never igo batika gutugaidi buya asengenjo kusikoranga mba the council of elders yaba kuziba libaita council of elders no nyama sikani ata asiri mbabwana ndakotena bata banga ase constituency ya Kitutu Masaba omorai gose county ito ya Nyamira omorai bweka tuakira maguta asengenjo yokurigere gwoito buna bagaka oyo nero gwa the chimbu chitu cyumugusi no borai bori tokobotaki totaki ebe ngambari ko influence gukurumaga ebe ngamasikani ali abo bahetu kurudire chisokoro chito naroro otango bono ega tugwate a culture buna ndebeke bune ke chi community chinde chika chiaraire chi community chiaraire gento gito bwede neringa ki they are elders ko baakira umuntu amaguta regardless ye miaka bono rutoka age tu amaguta emiaka bakaka bamwagita amaguta kese bale miaka emenge kumubwa lakini is their leader
biamono sami kerongo manyibunga ntwene tekuragenda omutimoko omokego egenkwana nere kwanyare ko bagukwana kubwatekana na egekore kikianetigwe sechinsemo chakyombo egekore kyo egatia barayimbanya ete ko bagwesoke bakagikeria na abande na baro bakagikeria umungwana uri bagateba nga usuguna na chigali na koro kunko bwenerete ngoira na tore tukwanere ayo amona yandamange mwancho muri ngo sabato share ayo amona yandamange na segeka egekekere bosyo
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso bw'umugusi obutindi n'obusumbasi amate ninkikere tokore
asa Marieta ngoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togo konya abantu bari amaruna mariogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togo konya abantu buna umwanafunzi orenge kwa ende university ongere gotumia maruna mariogo yogotindi amosariri wono yaikireke wango guikarwarigo panya oroyo onde orenge kwa ende kanisa otigire onge yakonywa mariogo yogotindi na amaru abasari erio twabaretaga Betami twabarwali elinde obugima bwabo bwirane gochaso obugima obwe
Christmas number 0706380913 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichi buri gukora kingatare icyobutindo Chuo Kikuu cha Tangaza tumebobea katika kozi zifuatazo: PhD in Education, Masters in Theology, Bachelors of Arts and Communication, Diploma in Law, Certificate in Counseling Psychology. Tunafundisha TVET courses kama vile ICT, Diploma in Teacher Education. Tunafundisha lugha ya Kifaransa na Kijerumani. Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi katika anwani inquiries@tangaza.ac.ke au tupige simu kwa nambari 0722204724 au 0711713910. Unaweza kututembelea katika chuo chetu mji wa Karen, jiji kuu la Nairobi, Lang'ata Road. Tangaza University, kuelimisha akili, kugeuza mioyo na kubadili maisha. Magega ya televishoni ya Nsoko gwikasero yawo kwanyoribaga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tokuralia bokwenyulia ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono na bokonyoribaga lyabene liyokuralia asegete senieke asoliguri liyakibusani tulikere gose twakere simigwitire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788666662 Eye Nensoko TV. Oboroso bw'umugusi.
Buya mono naende omwanchwa omurigireria bwensoka karando no kwegena nigo gendete konyora obosemia ritkoria rereka tukumurekera chimbwa cha gisiasa ase ensemo ya gusi twanyara ko batugukwanira amange kero turi no mogenito Samuel Mumanyi uyu nyara ko baga gotokonya ende tunyara ko batukurigereringa ine siasa ya matuka amagega na kia kabere na bono iga na kisiasa gendete kwenekwa ase gusi engima katoke ko gendra bosio yo moroberi omwanchwa omurigereria nigo konyeka twende mutimo kokonya twanya kubato gukunira gabu ase account ya Kise anene ensemo ya Kiumbu ase Samia nyako baga gukwaniranga nonye ne chisegi chenege tigu ase enseme ya Kiumbu kubwatikana no kubagekana kore gusi kubwatikana mbarororo bago supportie amora ibwense nabande bago support omorengo mungao na kieko gerano ni chisegi chichanya takoba chikwenekwa ase account yu ya Kise kubwatikana ningane yu egati ya baga kambarororo beso geti abande bagatebanga omumuroyo iga onyaete ko basamika gusugunana egari mba mubekirita amamocho bagateba nero nyendiri atasuguna egari etare manyinga tare gocha guiteka enseme ya Kiumbu ekera bande na baru bagotebanga obosagani obu no bwaireta manyinga guiteka enseme iga barororo bari barenge nechinungu kuruta magena ntobwate chinsemo ibere mbaro bagoteba bakugikeri obosagani obu bw'abantu ba Kiumbu gocha ase umusangrikano rio linda mwananchi nabagaka mbaroro bakugikeri omungwano ori bagotebanga gusuguna negari goro negento kebe kurugesa nganya kwenekwa
naki morali naki linet naki konye tuata ebirenga ransengencho yoboreu no botaba buborai bwa bagaka baito aba babwena tagotorabya nabo bwagarire ekero konyora okonyora chi faction ibere gose chi group ubere chigocha kugikerie gente kemo ekiyuka ge okoroginga there is no harmony boamo mtu bwati boamo our council of elders mbabwati boamo ingira ne ingiche gocha se nyagosira kugikerio akara okurigeri nakingo taberanga asengenje tu asiriri oburoso lekerenga yo koige ko waito buno mugusi tina na kororanga kiende kuna kina igana ikire miaka na ikire bona iga ina na korora nyagosira gagocha kugikirigu ekina na okero tigato chake kurigere bune bintu byari kwani fold gocha nyagosira ngocha gosa manyinga ngocha kuiteka lenge nonye eburuburu eri etaba ikine kitoko chakira number 1 abantu abachagete buraburu eyi barabumbura efaction nere yachete kuikeri abachagete buraburu na enje ne group ende gacha kuikeri oyunga ngamba nakorora muntu ogosuna nagari bagacha kuikeri ngumumuro ina bwata magoso nyagusira ko bekerwa magoso for the first time in my life history none bakalinje na nakoiwa ente getanga ninde tekweboli kuruse itokusigari ondeta yota nakorora konda kitabasuna ini chigari ondeta yota nakorora chigari une gari nere ya kwete ya wete taraja moja gari egaita nginyole tenga kete ya maga egaita konda kitega kuore ngo moterio nyanchonori ekwaya kete ya nyanchonori sometime back ne konda kitayarenge chikonda kitangusuna na chire para gari chi accident chi abaire botambe kwana korononi tukelima bagaka bali bagocha kugikeri nga uyo nonyusira igo yarenge nkya gusuna na chigari ntwana korora abarayi aba batumete egari yabo ry'umurayi yarinete indi example cyabarayi sina abaito jitari monto ngo victimize lakini wonto tebe sinzi barati bunarega nabako nyora abantu basuna ine gari yaye iga around abaka bana kugikeri bana kugikeri gente asengencho muntu tana gokugasuna ine gari eyo etaba utine ringa ege korwe kebuna gi akore kante buruburwe kabamba gena akarutu nuri rasa abwaterete ebuga abwaterete oro nere buna abandi bakubwaterera egere nini kose lige na ligakwa ekanyora gose ne pambu ekaru ekamuruta guchigoro maybe akas nelige na limwa madana bogwa kubwaterera ko bokokomo inguru chiri ko bwaterera amako kabe nande gwakirwe amagena ali muntu ali gwako strength chirinchi ko bakuru asebura burwe bone kanyarika no umuntu okorireki ogure bagaka baito mbale kuimuka kwenda gukonde munyagushira ingintu kyali kugikeligwa nebura burwe eri yabete lakini ekara na bokorora bono kwa mana korana na sengencho yobole utali asengencho kuzenga nogwanja kwabo na sengenche enche yamongaki uburayi boito bwabeire oboleu ana asaba gaka abaiga asengencho yoko batume wotume kwa bagaka abaito bobe nande nonye nkongaineri gose nonye gente kitari karo kiyokorekana kese nyasaye nkwabirara abantu lakini abagaka baito babeire bagotume kubobe na sengintu cia achievement cia abantu bande gusuwikirani kwa abantu bande ukugani kwa abantu bande weikerana lakini ayuri orense asengencho yobo tabagubwa no bale ubwabo to koigwekana abantu bako ba protected bakugiteru naba banene babwate igonga inkinta onto gwakera yamo nabagaka bari bachete kugikeria gekorwa tari bari bachete kugikerio nyaguzira because there is yani toko waste time ya obuno mogako kugikeria umuntu usire abantu bakorera sobo abayibuli barete okugikeria ng'umwana oyo iganga no nyukwete nga sengencha bwaterete gari
mbia mono sami uya mono sengencho ndo chibiro bigendete kumnyaka tubwati chidaika ange komiga tokoba abenge na ntogenda ya masemo koma tukama igangwa korra kwa renge umusubati kerare goswa asuburai politics nigo yare kobanga umusubati uyitabwati chimbo chingi yawo ino umusubati osinyete lakini ovulate twanyare koba tokorra mbaroro ba westo ya asuburai nonye nigo nonye totebe wa anini 1/3 gender rule tirekira na sengencho ine kiegento totebe mubaro ino bwente wiki wase bunge na kira kwanire ngane yubo matukama ega na bono ega na unaturigeretia asuburai babasubati
asokorra kwana oburai buru open ngizoko example murai naro umanyikanite gusiyonse Cleo Manga she was a leader abantu gusabani na babere bakumulate kusiba kwega botambe buna bawukina so burai bwabo siasa ito teria se okochora siasa itera so okochora oburai buri abazubati igobe na nje kubwale munankoligeri usikuligeri bono e constituency yana abantu babolde zanga engakiyalenga bakatwa bwate abantu bale ko buli chikuru bale ko by election bale nge 33 I remember 33 lakini asa abantu 33 muzubati talengo ninki abasubati mbara imoka
ose mbara igubosibole bole
you know bosibole ukweligeri musaja tari kucha kuimuka cha ko musubati ubusibole nonye tararanga nabwene tekora okora ni spirit kusunu umuntu kuiburani unubura ibole imeyae kwa una konyoro umwana gako no gukina kwa mana regardless no musika kusunu umuntu kwa una koyora ngubura ibwaye mbole ngukina bona kama to kwa naiga ulda momanyi ali kucha kubuli nonye no women bwanya mira tari koira lakini igale House of Representative Minnesota ense ya America aiga na sabantu barorire ngaki igukurigirira ubuno muraitari buno musubati Minnesota njewe ko munyene na amenyiro I know the culture embu yoborayi abantu batagite igonga nabasongo bali bamenyeto na Africa bali bamenyeto ororo igo barigirite bakaranga ki umusubati unere turachore nero mochore yani imbachieti gali gosaba guzibe ito gose umwana oyulda tachieti gali asengenda yokwanda kuichulia libaga asenze ya Minnesota gose umuchi bwa America igachete kamanyete ngaki nabwate ganga abasubati baitu barega iga umuchando nuri ngaki imbara imoka batebe nga we are fighting tadi ubo women rep that's affirmative action ine kero kibekira senyo
yokorete mu baro
parliament igo tali nga abachoru asengencho yokwenda koichuria eruri ya basubati bamunde gutoka chini endo isokurigereria teraba implemented fully nereria se muchando norori abasubati mbale soki barabubuka abanyera munabona gusi nkobole abasubati mbale nga bakoboli obwembi
donya naroro
donya nkoboli ale donya sengenjo airutimba ba oro kiriri onye liobora ya sengenjo atire to kurude obo women reboliu musaja tali koboli kirugeki bono onyorire chinguru ne chintenge chioko boli bone kirugeki kurubonjali na bonjali nanne bato musubati ondo kurugunga ke musubati I think abasubati mbare uzemba tatu bako boli inki nate baranga abasubati imbare ebuki yani okwibuka boki kulia yani bado na bagendete kwirigerelinga ngantu nabale wasoborayi buzina bagendete kwirigerelinga ali ngaki abantu babonete gutorana abasacha until a mentality yuse birengereli ebi kuso kwige kuko be kwarura se birengereli byabo bamanyanga na into we can lead. That's when we can get it of what was tonyo changing aki na ndo burayi bwa bangina tianga tebi uburayi bwa bangina is always the best. Uburayi bwa bangina is always the best. Mungo tebi kike ko gero burayi bwa bangina bako bubuya. One, abangina mba bwa to bwoba. Nuchike kuzike lige ota bunga ki ba ujero wa komosi. Mbabwa ti yani mbabwa ubwoba bolinga ki ya ndakora iga abantu bagocha kumanyalinde. Inkuiba igana cha kuma abasaja babwate gesende kelike ekene namuna kya morogyo na mumura. Kiriyo bagusiba ota. Yani mbabwate gesokero lakini abasubati mbabwate gesokero. Mbabwate ligianda. They want to build a home. Akero musubati akwaga achenka nakile yoda banga ki ngokwaga chenga none bwo numusubati okwaga chenga enka ningi ne community enka negesa kugeito without omusubati tikango tabinga kigesa kugeito mkeyo because yabana bakwaga chegesa kugeito na ukirenda na ugekini igonga abangina baito osaba iseke baito osaba subati baito egento bakolire kebe inkelinga obaganyete bachorko chorungukayo siasa yetu ya Kenya the constitution nelinga is the umuntu oli ko win with the majority simple majority tebuatinga use plus one use a simple majority no bwe kule
mkwabwira
kende geti boli oborai abangina bayino bababwate nabagaka bababwate asengenje yecha ideology cheno asengenje yokogania kusinjira mutete kokonye community yetu ikine giwo keko oborai bwetu a constitution ye change then we will sing again tomorrow to like a special singer that kitutu masaba no muzubati yokuro which constitutionally kwalini abantu bande right yabo ngakingi mote chore community yetu nabasubati boka bamenya tawe so nelinga constitution teyego cha ko change bu to go feed oburayi bwabangi nabo chikorolekana
mbiyamona sami ekerondo chetu bata chideka isato choka na kiora kwa the future of politics in Guse.
Siasa yetu ya tolere amangana amange of late unokuligirira ibikorwa ebiko na gokorwa bona igeze kuligirira siasa yetu yabaire nga esero yatanganire nande esero ko yatanganire inki esero yegutuli n'uburayi ubuya omochere gutuli nigari uburayi ubuya chingende amaguta gutuli n'uburayi ubuya epale ritore korose rutubuli misi yetu kurwa se itali bironga gende keumbu ya tenenira asengenjo yeringa ki inkwaetu ebesa ukali yali gocha korosi para igonga uburayi bwitu kuchubusyo yantu bwatu muchando munene number 1 eringa twatwalire abarayi abatabagugusa abarewu gotungusa gusikotora nande mbacha bayandire gotora asengenjo yake ya association useinga nje ninyi yake tikuchiase serikali nje ninda se Fred Matiang'i nande ngende kid sorry tiange kwanere egere no chinza cha minyokire omochando tukabwate 2027 igoro monene kubwa yoburai tubwate bona
Kubwa maiga ge.
inkingo tebera igo abantu bamanyire nga okobori gusubu buibwa abo borase matiani nande basunanire enini ya matiangi goti ya matiangi asengenjo tari nga asengenjo barabara yabaya tari iki tari karo kekyo na asengenjo ngaga umuntu nobwenje utari kujikukwana matiangi nochenjereri umuntu otabanga kinga tari bonse bara tebelere nyasaye bara kora kibara gende igo so nagina nga tari bonse basuna ine matiangi bakara bara yaba yatogocha konyora umuchando no linga ki chi politician ni chosaba na siasa baito bagusi na sengenjo yechimbu chiabo chimbe no borai botayo omuraye karoro muya you can stand alone na ndokoleki na ndo weta sengenja abantu bakumanyete ngaye numurayi utenene na into sengenjo yaba gusiba ito tu asiririe mbweli ito yogochora barayi bali batubwenerete twa embrace ri kusu twanjire esero ngoyuchi ujoyora ndeteire abuna babangina baito bauta uyora ndeteire kwamuna konyora nga abarayi baito twachorera abarayi ababe bago to represent bobe asengenjo yokugani kwa bumuntu ogenda agali obuto terinangaki kese na kanete nganyoro barayo mune mukuna kolera yuzinki county yetu teri ko move ne anyamira uzimune yakisi tomuna konyoranga ki oburayi to kuna konyoro obobe asengenjo ya magosa itu twakoleta tiba itu sento kolere ekebungu tiba itu so ebugu mubwataga ekebungu gego kunya Samuel 8 Samuel yeli tanga ni 8
Ntigankuligeri na kiwate ya First Samuel 18 8:18 Neronga reto kuligeri kanyo kwana ke kwana
igo nalo batabanga ntobu ati excuse yogo chora barai muntu tai yogo cha gotonini goto chorera barai timete useke bungu na kieki kinda kiebe
when that day comes, you will cry out for relief from the king you have chosen, but the Lord will not answer you in that day.
Yani asenga chinga
kichiweka moche morere asabara imwacho
bali mwakora kingi uzota mwechorerete inu bweka abanyene tari nyasa gocha kubachorera abarayi bali bweka abanyene mwechorerete emayo korega gotaba.
But the Lord will not answer you in any day.
Nyasaye takubaira nili takubaigu inki ebugo gototebi we have been given a responsibility yogo chora bara intutuwe kabanyana tari muntu gocha chorera no nyene sero toko becha iyo toko tumeche sero to chora bara yaba nande ento cha kolera munabone buruburu ya keumbu intoro yaze njabuna bara itwe chorera because ntobo adi excuse nani nyasaye ta goto iguna to saba na torute bintu birie our council of elders bacha barute nini bakwana mangana nyasaye ta goto igu he can't because he gave us a chance to chora barai lakini to bakoroki to wasikwanda that chance igonkinda te gota ibia bagusiba itu nyasaye oto iririba another chance tari nga hato a chance na matiani no ila hato a chance to recorrect tueri ngoli bwega tueri gereri to chora barayi batubwene bali nyasa atagete nyasa yo mata ko bali
bali matiani
bali matiani atagete abarayi bali nyasa atagete to chore to gocha kolera nane will sit here ngocha kolera to nana magana to kwana ngocha kolera to asengenjo ya barayi bali tu achore tuechore tentu ka
biamono sana aso gotokorra sam momanyi gotokorra neke bunge kigia First Samuel chapter 8 verse 18 mwancho murigere bano koigure nga chingaki karo kwa iru chingaki chitumie bya na wikiraga buno to gukorera omoroberi bwetoro bene unabutambe ngokuganira ogende gutwara oborigereri bya na ngo gwakira ya mono kianda gikomi asoko ene kibuna omoroberi yiga kwanyere ko uko yobwatia kurogo chagete wikabono iga asengo gotiko gende kubwatia emeroberi ende eyuere emetigari ngokuganira utware omobasomoya nabo igogenda kwego kene meroberi eto yensoko TV oboroso bomuguse eriane nkuru kwa Linet Nyambane.
Yeye Nensoko TV. Uboroso bumugusi. Onye kubwa telibolyo obosemya